Fewer sweat-induced breakouts during winter. Sweat production is lower, which means fewer chances for clogged pores and breakouts after a Brazilian wax. Reduce sun exposure. Winter means less sun exposure, and this can help your skin heal better after waxing. Direct sunlight can irritate freshly waxed skin, but during winter, smoother skin all season. With the dry winter air, waxing ensures smoother, more hydrated skin as it removes dead skin. This gives skin a glowing look despite the season's dryness, more privacy for healing. Winter is the perfect time to take care of post-wax redness and irritation. You'll likely spend more time indoors, allowing your skin to heal properly without the discomfort of public exposure. Longer-lasting results. Because you're not as exposed to the sun, your wax results last longer during the winter. The UV rays of summer can weaken hair regrowth, improve skin hydration. Winter wax treatments are a great time to use hydrating lotions or oils post-wax. Your skin is in need of extra moisture, and waxing followed by skincare to lock in hydration reduce irritation from chafing. During colder months, you typically wear more layers, and fewer movements cause friction, which can make irritation after waxing more likely in summer. Better for sensitive skin. Many people find their skin more sensitive in the winter. Brazilian waxing, when done properly, helps with exfoliating the skin, removing the dead layer that causes rough patches. For softer and healthier skin, summer sweat discomfort. Wearing tight clothing in summer post-wax can cause discomfort due to sweat, but in winter, you're more likely to wear loose, comfortable clothing, which is a great way to allow your skin to recover winter comfort. There's something about the winter months that allow for more relaxation. You don't have to worry about exposing yourself on a hot beach. You can pamper yourself and take time during a winter waxing indoor activities. If you're spending more time at home or engaging in indoor activities during the winter, you're naturally more relaxed, allowing the waxing process to be less stressful. Less hair growth in cold weather. Colder temperatures can slow down hair growth, which means you'll see the benefits of Brazilian waxing for longer periods. When done in winter, confidence boost. With fewer beach trips or poolside vacations, winter waxing gives you the confidence of feeling smooth all over. It's not just about looking good for the public eye, but for your own sense of comfort. Seasonal skincare. The harsh conditions of winter require more focus on skincare. Waxing during winter helps prepare your skin for the moisture and protection it needs, allowing for smoother skin in the dry season. Next, vacation. Even if winter's here, many people book vacations to tropical places in the colder months. Brazilian waxing ensures you're beach ready by the time your vacation comes. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.